watching New York's #1 news. Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
All new at 5, a special delivery for a first-time mom. A 24-year-old woman in South Brunswick passed her due date, delivered her baby at home early this morning. As New Jersey reporter Tony Yates reports, she got some help from a police officer and paramedic who arrived just in time.
Baby Arianna, cute as can be, almost gave Officer Tim Hoover his first chance to deliver a baby, if not for the paramedics close behind.
I'm glad that they showed up pretty soon after, because I was like, somebody better come out and help me too.
Because as you can see in this photo taken by Isaiah Quinn, Arianna's 11-year-old cousin, she was coming into the world at home.
It's like a shock that I had my daughter in the living room of my sister's house.
It was 4:30 this morning. Mom had been in labor all night.
She was in so much pain. She was screaming. You know, a few minutes later, the officers arrived.
As Officer Hoover helped calm her, paramedics took over.
It was quite routine for us. It was very quick, though. We'd only been there for about 4 minutes.
The baby did come very quickly. It didn't really matter how long she'd been in labor. It was time.
Hats off to Isaiah, too, for helping out with big sister-to-be Josiah.
Because she got woken up by everyone in the house. And then she started to cry, and then I put on her favorite show.
Everyone in their places, and Arianna was born.
That's the first time I cut a cord, though, so it was pretty interesting.
You want to do that again?
No, never. Definitely not on the living room floor.
Grandma, the original ride to the hospital, got there last.
When I walked in, I said, "What do I do?" He said, "Boil water." I'm like, "Now?" He said, "No, everything's finished."
So Arianna's in perfect health. You see her, she's sleeping like a rock, and Mom, she's doing really good too. So the paramedics and the cop that responded this morning get a very special thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.
And Dad, all smiles and grateful for the help.
Thank you, and thank you for taking my place and holding her hand.
At Robert Wood Johnson Hospital in New Brunswick, Tony Yates, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
A great story.
Adorable. Cute.